Hello everyone, welcome to our CooVox T-Series IP-PBX tutorial. In this episode, I will introduce the call pickup feature. The call pickup feature can be achieved in two ways: general call pickup and direct call pickup. General call pickup means that pick up an incoming call for another ringing extension within the same pickup group by simply dialing *8#. Direct call pickup means that pick up an incoming call for another ringing extension even if it belongs to a different pickup group. Dial ** followed by the extension number and end with #. Next, let me show you how to set it up. When using general call pickup, the pickup phone and picked up phone need to be set in the same pickup group. First, you need to go to the telephony extension's IP extensions. Click the edit button of the specified extension and set the pickup group in the features page, and then set other extensions into the same pickup group. When using direct call pickup feature, it is not necessary to set the extensions in the same pickup group. Next, I will use 3 phones to simulate and demonstrate the call pickup feature. First, register 3 extensions 101, 102, 103 to IP-PBX, let 101 as the caller. Set 102, 103 as members of the same pickup group. First, 101 makes a call to 102. "102 cannot answer at this time." Then, 103 dials the general pickup code *8 to take the initiative to replace the member 102 in the same pickup group to answer the call. Then the next step is the demonstration of direct call pickup. 101 is the caller, and set 102 and 103 in different pickup groups. 101 makes a call to 102, but 102 is unable to answer. At this time, 103 dials the direct pickup code *102. And it can be seen that 102 and 103 are not in the same pickup group, but the call is successfully picked up by 103. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send them to our email. See you next time.